Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to write a program on checking if a given string is palindrome. Palindrome is something that looks the same when read from left to right and right to left. Palindrome is something that looks the same when read from left to right and right to left. These are all examples of it. We will work on two solutions. One using built-in method, another without using built-in method. Why are we having two different solutions? Solution using built-in method gives us knowledge about the methods offered by the language itself to perform the task. And the solution without using built-in method allows us to practice our logical thinking. So having both solutions gives us knowledge of built-in methods and strong logical foundation. First, we will get into a solution using built-in method. Here we use slicing method to get the reverse string. The input string is hard coded as answer, or it is overwritten as madam. Okay, first we will have string as answer. So reverse string could be got using a slicing technique by specifying no parameters to the first and second, and third it is specified as -1, which gives us the reverse string. So let us check this. Not palindrome. I am overwriting the string to madam. Let's check that. It's palindrome. So this is all about a solution using built-in method. We will see the solution without using built-in method. What we do is we run a while loop. Initially, before that we initialize two pointers. Left will be pointing to the leftmost character and right will be pointing to the index of the rightmost character. And these are checked for every iteration in this loop. And if in any of the iteration, if it is not equal, this value is set to false and the loop breaks and comes out of this. We will check with two cases, happy case and false case. So initially we have a string madam. So in the first iteration, this is what happens. So both m and m are equal. So it proceeds to the next iteration. So here this left pointer points to the index 1 and right points to the index 3. Again these are equal. So when both are left is incremented and right is decremented, so they meet at the same position. So this condition for loop is no longer true. So it stops and prints that it is palindrome. For example, if the string is mango, left will be pointing to the first index and the right will be pointing to the last index, which means this will be checked. M and O will be checked, which is not true. What happens is here this comes and the loop stops because of this break statement and this gets printed, not a palindrome. Hope this is clear. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.